Santa Barbara Baker here with a brand new Ooni Koda 16. I'm stoked to get this oven unboxed and fired up. Setting up a brand new Ooni Koda 16 couldn't be easier. It comes fully assembled in the box. All you have to do is pull it out, remove the packaging, have your propane tank ready, hook it up. After initial burn off, you're ready to make some pizza. Make sure you have a batch of dough ready because you'll be able to make pizza the same day. It's so awesome. I'm here with my fully assembled Ooni Koda 16. It really couldn't be any easier to put together. Let's get this thing fired up. Fire mode. This thing is looking lit for sure. I can't wait to bake my first pizza in this thing. Be on the lookout for my first baked pizza video. All my recipes are up on santabarbarabaker.com. You can help support the channel by purchasing Ooni products through the links down below. I'm Santa Barbara Baker on Instagram. Give me a follow on there. Hope you're out there making some pizza, dreaming about pizza. I love you all. One love.